What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Today with me I have 2014 Volvo doser injector valves. One of them is good, the other one is bad. And today I'm going to show you how to test the resistance using a multimeter. So I have some butt connectors here just so I can test it and make my life pretty much easier. So we're looking for anything between 11 and 18 ohms. As you can see, this one is above 11, so this is a good valve, good resistance. It has good resistance. So then I'm gonna test this one, and as you can see, there's no resistance. This test you can do it with the valve mounted. You don't have to take it off, but I already replaced it, and I replaced it because it was giving me one code. And if you guys have this code p204713, I suggest you do this test, and if it has good resistance, then look for the voltage. Make sure the harness has voltage, and if it doesn't have resistance, I suggest you replace this doser injector valve. So hopefully this video was helpful enough, and leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.